Local, late breaking. This is WBAL TV 11 News at 5.
And the debate in Washington over health care spilled over to Baltimore today. Maryland Senior Senator Ben Cardin hosted a town hall meeting on his Republican colleague's health care proposal. 11 News lead political reporter Kate Amara was there. She's live in Rosedale tonight with details. Kate?
Well, Stan, in Maryland, at least for right now, it appears there is bipartisan opposition to this new Senate Republican health care plan. The sentiment shared by our Republican Governor, Larry Hogan, and by our Democratic U.S. Senator, Ben Cardin.
I don't know what options I'm going to have next week, but I'm going to use every option I have.
Democrat Ben Cardin didn't mince words at this town hall today. The senator says the health care bill floated by his Republican colleagues spells disaster for our state and the battle against an escalating opioid epidemic, and calling for deep cuts to Medicaid.
So it's going to have a major impact on our ability to deal with the opioid abuses.
Senator Cardin's office says based on early estimations, Maryland could lose between $11 and $13.5 billion in Medicaid funding over a decade, a big financial blow to programs helping low-income and disabled people.
People with disabilities have a constitutional right to liberty.
That's Towson activist Cheryl Gottlieb, who, one day after participating in a protest outside Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell's office on the Hill, was back in Baltimore to spread the word that lives are at stake.
And if you take away my ability to be in the community, my friends' ability to be in the community, not only are we going to be locked up in institutions again, so that you will be taking away our liberty, a lot of us will end up dead.
Opposition includes our Republican Governor Larry Hogan. His administration telling 11 News the House and Senate plans do not work for Maryland. Quote, Congress should go back to the drawing board in an open, transparent, and bipartisan fashion to craft a bill that works for all Americans. And we reached out to the lone Republican in our congressional delegation, 1st District Rep Andy Harris, for his take on the issues raised today. And we just got this statement where he said, quote, the opioid epidemic claims thousands of lives every year in Maryland. He says saving those lives is one of his top priorities. And his statement goes on to say that as the House and Senate work to rebuild our nation's health care system, they recognize the need for additional funding to address this epidemic. Reporting live in Rosedale tonight, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL TV 11 News.
Kate, thank you.